Hello everyone. Today I am going to solution of forensic science paper 2 June 2009. This paper contains 50 objective type question, each question carrying 2 marks. Attempt of all the. In India, the first central forensic science laboratory was established in Calcutta in 1957. The first fingerprint bureau of the world was established in Calcutta. Match the following: H.L. Pahami for Central Forensic Science Laboratory in India. D.P. Charter, Teaching of Forensic Science in India. Krogman, Forensic Anthropology. Dabra Dodd, Serology. Arrange the following steps of criminal investigation in proper sequence. Third, protection of scene of crime. Second, photography and sketching. Fourth, recording of FIR. First, collection of physical evidence. In this case, poisoning of a living person, the following physical evidence are collected and preserved: vomit, second, etc. Fourth, blood. Neuron activation analysis is used to identify the following toxic heavy metals: absorption, infrared spectrophotometry provide an absolute identity of organic compound. Reason are: it gives the molecular structure of the compound. Both A and R are true. Match the following: gel electrophoresis, enzyme typing, polarizing microscope examination of synthetic fiber, atomic absorption spectroscopy, estimation of metal, comparison microscope, matching of firing pin mark. Activation analysis can be done by: first, second, and third are correct. Neutron, proton, alpha particles. Atomizer is used in atomic absorption spectrophotometry. The absorption illusion method for blood stain examination was first introduced by Siracusa. YSTRs helps in determining paternity. YSTR helps in determining paternity. Sex of individual from blood can be determined by XY chromosome, bar bodies, and testosterone estradiol ratio. Estradiol ratio. Match the following: kale, serum protein, acid phosphate WBC, heptoglobin, red cell antigen, HLA, red cell isoenzyme. Arrange the following technique of forensic serology as per the increasing chronological order: DNA profile, second, blood group, first DNA profile, fourth HLA typing, third is genome structure. Match the examination needs of list 1 with list 2 with suitable item in list 2. Distillation, second, chloroform, solvent extraction, first, paraffin, spot test examination, cyanide, de-icing test, संख्या arsenic trioxide. Quinoi is Levine test is used for marijuana. In chronic arsenic poisoning, the following are preserved for chemical analysis. Third and fourth are correct. Hair and nail clipping. Match the following: codeine, third; opium, hyoscine, first; dhatura, atropine, fourth; atropa belladonna, D-strychnine, second; nux vomica. Phosphine is liberated from aluminum phosphide. Stress auto process is used for the extraction of poison from viscera. AK-47 cartridge is a following type of cartridge rimless. Exhaustion. The range of fire in a shotgun can be determined by the dispersion of pellets. The dispersion of pellet decreases with the increase in range of fire. A is true but R is false. Arrange the following firearms in an increasing chronological order. Matchlock gun, second; fourth, flintlock gun, third, percussion lock gun, first, AK-47. Match the following: RDX, third; cyclotrimethylene trinitramine, BTNT, first; 2,4,6 tritoluene, PTN, fourth; pentratriethyltoluene nitrate. Glycoprotein P30 is present in semen. The body fluid to be tested to prove recent delivery is colostrum. Match the following: amylase, first; saliva, creatinine, hair, keratin, hair, choline, semen, hemoglobin, blood. Circulate scale of human head hair are the following types: flattened. Nodes are seen in linen. The reflective index of the fiber can be determined by A. Second and fourth are correct. Second, Baekeline method. Fourth, Grimm 2 instrument. The relative density of soil varies within 1 to 1.9. Pyrolysis gas chromatography of point sample is a variable technique for the characterization of binder. Concentric fracture on the glass sheet starts on same side of impact. Compression tool marks are produced by hammer. The casting of tool marks can be done by second and third molding, third wood metal. Cast of footprint on snow can be prepared with the following bags. Choose the correct combination. First and fourth are correct. Ossification process till the bone is completely formed. Fourth, classification changes can be studied by means of X-ray. The pubic angle of pelvis, grade A of female is obtuse. Match the following temporary teeth eruption depth. Lower central incisor, third 6 to 8 month. Lower lateral incisor, first 10 to 12 month. Canine, fourth 70 to 18th month. First molar, second 12 to 14 month. Arrange in the proper order. Rigor mortis spread in the dead body in the following order. Third, eyelid. Fourth, lower jaw. Second, chest. First, lower limbs. In a strangulation, death is caused by asphyxia. A death-born child is one which has died in utero and shows one of the following signs after it is completely born. Rigor mortis at delivery. Hemorrhage means profused blood from the following cardiovascular. Exhaustion, the body cools more rapidly on the open surface and more slowly in the interior position region are. It is due to retention of heat in the interior. A and R are true. Chemically create erased writing can be restored by the action of ammonium polysulfide solution and third thiocyanic acid. Match the following: water, second urine, heat, second urine, ammonium, fourth iron salt, water, first soap, iodine vapor, third starch. Iron glutamate ink was iron glutamate ink is also known as black ink. Writing on charged document can be restored by photography under ultraviolet light. The wound is passing through and through of the body is called lacerated.